Whoa, let's make some honey butter cornbread, y'all. Let's get into it. This cornbread was absolutely amazing. I hope you'll stick around and watch how I make it. Kid GT, come cook with me. Kid GT, I got the recipe. Kid GT, the way for me. Yeah, we cooking up that energy. Now I'm about to try Miss Kimmy's cornbread. So let's get started. The first thing she used was 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And a half. Miss Kimmy said don't pack it, so we can do it like this. This is my half cup. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna knock some of that right on off. Okay. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we need 1.5 cups. Are you good? Yellow cornmeal, self-rising. Yeah, I'm in here. Come on. I don't want light-skinned cornbread, Kimmy. Hope that's not too much. Now this is where it gets tricky, y'all. Miss Kimmy used 1.5 cups of sugar. That's a whole lot of sugar, girl. Well, we gonna try it.
You used to do it that way?
Ooh, that's a lot of sugar for diabetes.
I didn't say anything, did you? They supposed to cook it.
Kimmy, why? You want to sit to the table?
Not ready.
No, food not ready just yet. Taking a little longer today.
Yeah, okay, that's all right. I need to see.
I gotta stir it like this. I'm sorry. Oh, maybe I should have stuck to the whisk, y'all. Flour everywhere. Oh well. It'll be alright. Just more to clean up. Okay, now we have to melt 2 sticks of butter. Ooh, child. Miss Kimmy, you killing me, girl, with these ingredients. Cornbread good, it'd be all worth it. It'd be worth it. This is salted butter. Okay, let's get that into the microwave. Yeah, I hope I'm doing this right. Okay, let's mix that butter in. Okay, we need a cup of milk. Now she used whole milk. I'm using almond milk. At this point, I should have just gone for the whole milk. I got all this butter in here. Yeah, I don't know what be up with my facial expressions, but I do hope you're enjoying the video thus far. Going with some honey, y'all. I ain't never made cornbread like this before. Never. Miss Kimmy said no lumps. Okay, y'all, we gotta get 3 eggs that has to go into our mixture. And you heard her, if you ain't no professional, crack them eggs separately. That's what we doing. We're gonna crack them individually. Because I am by no means a professional over here. We getting there, but we ain't ready to do that yet. Okay, egg number 2. All right, now we're gonna go in with our last egg. Okay, and y'all heard Miss Kimmy. She said to make sure that batter is nice and smooth, no lumps. Whew, this is a lot of mixture, y'all. That's what it's looking like. Nice and smooth. All right, let me make sure I ain't missing nothing. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and spread the butter around in our pan. Yeah, this camera be tripping. So we're going to put it into the oven at 350 degrees, she said, for about 30 minutes. Okay, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. It looks delicious, right? Okay, we're going to try it. Y'all, I will tell you, this cornbread was absolutely delicious. I've never had cornbread that tastes so good in my entire life. You gotta try it. Forgot to show y'all, but I did glaze the top with honey. Thanks for watching.